Okay, in this question here, it says decide which is the larger fraction of the following. Okay, so if we go ahead and try and find which is the larger fraction of the following, I like to set my questions out like this and just put a box there so that I can put some sort of, we call it inequality sign, greater than or less than, because that's what we have to figure out, which fraction is larger, which is the larger one. So if we go over to here and sort of consider the denominators, we need to make these fractions show the same parts, and we can do that by creating equivalent fractions for both and at the same time making the denominators the same. You might wonder, how do you do that? You might have forgotten how to do this. So looking at the denominators, we have 12 and 15. We need to consider how we can make the denominators the same. So if we do that, we're trying to find the lowest common multiple then, aren't we? If we do that, 12 and 15, well, let's take the larger number and go up by multiples of 15 to see if we get to a multiple of 12. 15, no. 30, no. 45, no. 60. 60 sounds like it's a multiple of 12, so we're going to go with 60. So how do we get from 15 to 60? We're multiplying that by 4. And then we do the same with this fraction, with the numerator as well. If we take 12, well, I know 12 times 5 is 60. Multiplying that by 5 as well. After considering all of that, we then have 35 over 60. And we have 32 over 60. So from here, then we can say, yes, I can see here that 35 over 60 is larger. So that's the inequality sign. And then answering our original question here, we can then say, therefore, 7 over 12 is greater than 8 over 15.